We've got a Primo bottom load water dispenser. I've been having a water flow issue, but it's only on the cold water side. The hot water side's been running just fine, but sometimes it would run, sometimes it wouldn't. Well, lately it's gotten to where it won't go at all. Well, these things are expensive. I don't want to have to buy another one if I don't have to. So I'm trying to find a way to fix it. Watched a lot of videos, and I was really struggling to find anything that was working because nothing. I mean, they said it could be a flow problem, could be a clog problem, could be a sediment problem, could be all this different stuff, and nothing I was trying was working. So I've got another thing here that I'm going to take a look at. I found one video with no sound. The guy is just typing it on the screen, and so I'm hoping this will work. Let's give it a shot. I'll show you what I'm doing. So before you get started, there's two screws, one here, one here. You'll have to take those out to remove that, but before that, shut the power off. I shut off all three power switches, and I disconnected from the wall. I unplugged the cord from the wall, so that is done. Then you remove these two screws, pop this out. It does have wires on it, so you're going to have to let it dangle like this. Then you'll remove this hose and the overflow drain hose over here. This particular model has four little tabs here, and just take a flat tip screwdriver and put it down here and pop each one of them loose, and then you can remove this cover. It will also kind of have to dangle. So as you can see, I've got the top removed here. It's sitting off to the side. Take a clean spoon, and if you'll look, I've already removed some of the water here, but it's frozen all the way on that side edge. Now mine is got a little bit of ice down here, but it's mostly the plastic, but it is definitely frozen out here. I'm assuming this is where the water goes down. It looks like, it's hard to tell, but I'm thinking that's where the water goes down. So if this is frozen out here, there's a good chance it's frozen down there. So my solution is scoop most of the hot water out of there, and now I'm going to take boiling water, clean boiling water, and I'm going to pour it in there. Actually what I did is I used the water that was in the tank, put it in the pot, and heated it up. So I'm going to pour this boiling water in here, give it some time to thaw, and see if that fixes my flow issue. So now I've noticed that this little thing here is now free and able to float around in the tank. It was not doing that before. So that means that my ice has melted. I'll replace the lid, plug the tube back in, plug the overflow drain back in. Alright, so it's been about 10 minutes, and as you can see, the water in the tank was thawed out. Let's see what we got here. We have flow. That fixed the issue.